Good morning, everybody. I am so sorry about yesterday. There was something going on with my computer, and I could only post things. My camera on my computer just it wouldn't let me open things up for some reason, and I had to do some things to clear it up. But we're back now, and it's going to be okay. So by the time Thursday ends, you should have completed on Google Classroom your week one assignments, your week two assignments, your week three assignments, your Monday responses, your seventh grade anticipation guide, your read and respond to seventh grade, and your reading check today. But as we move forward, let's talk about these questions of identity. Who am I? Why am I doing this? And why am I doing it this way? Have another reading check today. We've seen progress in both of the ones that we've done so far. Our scores have been going up. Am I reading more clearly? Am I looking at things more deeply? Am I taking my time? Because that would make sense, because I'm starting to see better test scores. So our learning targets and success criteria today, we're going to complete the reading check for seventh grade. You're going to listen closely or read deeply on your own. You're going to infer what the text is saying. You're going to use evidence from the text to support your answer. So if we look at the assignment, remember this is inferring. I ain't making a face essay. This is my face, Michael said. His face had changed during the summer. He had read a GQ magazine that his older brother had borrowed from Book Mobile and noticed that the male models all had the same look on their faces. What does this imply about Michael? He's concerned with how others view his personality, his appearance. He's concerned with how others view his physical appearance. He reads magazines. It was just summer. He has an older brother. Which one can you get more out of? That doesn't say exactly in the text, but you can imply, you can infer. Which conflict motivates Victor's decision throughout the story? Victor wants Teresa to be his girlfriend, but he can't find a way to talk to her. Victor struggles to do well in math, and he's afraid Teresa will find out. Victor chooses French as an elective, but he really wanted to take Spanish. Victor says Teresa's name in English class, and other students laugh at him. Which one is conflict? Which one causes other things in the story to happen? What makes it a story? Why are we interested in the story? Which one of these makes the most sense? Which quote best explained Mr. Bueller's reaction when he realizes why Victor is faking his knowledge of French? The teacher beamed and said, "Très bien, parlez-vous français?" Maybe that's all it is. He remembered his college years when he dated a girlfriend and borrowed cars. He walked to the blackboard and pointed to the words on the board with his steel-edged ruler. Mr. Bueller, wrinkling his face in curiosity, asked him to speak up. So which one best explains the reaction why Victor is faking his knowledge of French? Not that he is, but why is he doing it? Why would Victor do something like that? How do Victor's actions develop the story's theme? Victor makes funny faces throughout the school day since he believes in the importance of being attractive. Victor spends his first day of school trying to impress Teresa and realizes he is no longer being true to himself. Victor takes an embarrassing risk because he's willing to do anything to get Teresa's attention. Victor lies to get Teresa's attention but finds that honesty is the best way to make a good first impression. Which one is the most accurate response? And finally, what do you think you can learn from this story? No wrong answers. This is your opinion. I can't wait to read about them. Good luck, guys.